click here to like this video. Your comments are welcome. Subscribe to get new videos. Hello and welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how to place our plumbing fixtures, okay, for the various floor plans we have. Let's get started. This is our ground floor level, but one thing that we must know is that the view template you're working on is a plumbing plan, okay? But please click here to like this video. Your comments are welcome. Subscribe to get new videos. We come straight here, we can see that we can't adjust the scale here, and then also the detail level here too, we can also adjust it. So what is creating that whole problem is the fact that we have to come to the view template, click on that, and you see it's a plumbing plan. Okay, if these things are checked, it means that they will not appear in our view. So we can take some of them off. The view scale should show, the detail level should also show. Look, I have to look through and check those I need and those that I don't need. Those that I don't need are few. So just to save ourselves some time, let's just pick all. It's not going to conflict anything. So we only use what we need. We say apply, and then it's done. If you are going to the first floor and we check, we can see that it's also applicable in the same thing. That's the view scale. So the view scale we apply, which is a plumbing plan, all these things are checked. So when we now come to the scale, you see that it's active. Please click here to like this video. Your comments are welcome. Subscribe to get new videos. Detail level is also active, so we can move on and start placing our fixtures which we want. We are going to the ground floor plan and start from there. Now, to place those fixtures or equipment, we have to come to systems. Okay, under systems, this side is for HVAC. Let's move straight to plumbing and piping. We can click on the piping settings or mechanical settings here, and we have that, and then we have items like our pipe settings, okay, or items that are for the pipe settings. We'll come back later when we start doing our piping. At this point, we want to just place our fixtures and go. So we click on plumbing fixtures, okay, and what are the ones that we have here? These ones are architectural. We don't need them. All we need is the MEP ones with their connectors. Okay, so we can come in here. Okay, so there's one we have here, urinal wall hang. Okay, so this side is placed. Let's go to the other side. Let's go to systems. Let's pick items for WCs and then the lavatories. So we come in, we check whether there are some WCs we can pick, and these are architectural stuff. We don't want that. We come into load family. Okay, we have load family here. We have lavatories here. We can also choose. Okay, so these are wall-mounted lavatories. We can say open and load that into our system. Okay, so wall-mounted. Let's say we want to place them here. Place on vertical face. Place on face. Okay, so place on vertical face means that when you get to a wall, then it will be possible for you to now work out on it. Okay, so let's place a couple of them here. When we want to wash our hands, okay, let's place a couple of them around. Okay, so these ones can be closed. You can use the arrow key to push them to be closed. Okay, and all these ones can be mounted up on please click here to like this video. Your comments are welcome. Subscribe to get new videos. so can be mounted up on a stand. Okay, so then that makes it easier to go in that regard. Okay, if you want to distance it so that there is space between them also, you can also do same. So we have positioned them the way we want it. Okay, if you feel you want to push more into it, it's up to you and the design. So there is one here. You come to this side and wash your hands. You can also pick one of the lavatories here. Okay, and then we check. You see that there are connectors. One for hot water, one for cold water, and then one also for the sanitary. So in fact, when one is selected, I can click on create similar and then probably place some to here so that those in this direction can also have some to work with or to use, have some to use.
Please click here to like this video. Your comments are welcome. Subscribe to get new videos.
Okay, great. So when you check the offset, you can see that it's about 865 from the level that we've placed it. Okay, and that is cool with us. If we feel, yeah, this should be fine. Okay, so we have placed our lavatories. Let's see about the WC. So we can come to systems, fixtures, we load family. Let's move back to probably where we started. So US metric, we come down to plumbing. We have architecture mechanical, so we choose MEP. We come to, we have equipment, and then we have fixtures. So we choose fixtures, water closet, and then we have floor mounted. Okay, we have some two flash tanks, and then we have one two which is quite flash tank. Okay, so any of them that we want to use, let's load this and that into the system, and then we can use that easily. So we've loaded these two. Is there anything that we want to load? We can load all our systems into we can load all the fixtures into our system before we start our work. So before we even start placing them. So let's now, after doing that of the WC, we can come to fixtures like connectors. Okay, one for domestic cold water connector. Okay, so I can use this. I can upload this into our system. Okay, let's load mechanical equipment. So
Please click here to like this video. Your comments are welcome. Subscribe to get new videos.
we come in. These are fixtures. Okay, these are fixtures. I think I saw some shower somewhere, so we'll pick that shower. If you want to have some drain, okay, plumbing drain, you can load this one also in. Okay, so this is a floor drain, okay, at the corner. If you want it, we can load that one in. Load family. Let's load some equipment. We have connectors here for domestic cold water. Let me choose this. Load that one in. Okay. So we have some already in there. So let's come into water heater. There are tanklets, and then we have one. Okay, so let's load this water water heater into our system. So Revit cannot load this. Why? So it's an unsupported. Okay, so we'll try and load others in. Okay, so you can check this water heater. Okay, so we brought in this. We say open. Some or all of the family files you selected cannot be loaded. Okay.
Please click here to like this video. Your comments are welcome. Subscribe to get new videos.
Choose this tankless water heater. Let's see whether they are loaded in here. Okay, so water heaters are not loaded. Okay, so now we have to place our water heater. We come into systems. Okay, we have plumbing fixture here. Okay, so let's check if we have it loaded in. Water heater. Scroll down a bit. Okay, so we don't have it in here. You can load it. So let's choose this. You say open. Okay, so we've loaded it in.
Please click here to like this video. Your comments are welcome. Subscribe to get new videos.